Welcome and thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. My name is Steve Ronholt.
And my name's Ladin Langman, and on the show you're going to see some fantastic fishing.
There it is. Nice. Oh boy, I saw it, Steve. See it?
You see that?
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh my God.
Gosh, it's just a monster. Holy smokes.
But also maybe a few mistakes, because who here has not hooked their fishing buddy once or twice? I hate it when this happens.
Ah! 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 Shoot. Don't move, Steve. Dang it, how bad is it? I don't know. Yikes.
Whacked my face. I don't know.
No, you're good. Sorry about that.
Okay, oh boy, it was close.
Oh,
Hit my face. It
hit your
whacked me
face.
pretty
Sorry,
good.
I'm gonna move up. Sorry about that.
It's okay.
When you're fishing in severe wind, always go over this shoulder so you'll hook your partner in the face and not yourself. Okay? Yikes.
We've fallen a few times.
We primarily fly fish and we go all over the Northwest. We fly fish rivers and lakes in Montana, Alaska, British Columbia, Alberta, Washington State, Idaho, Oregon, and Utah. We enjoy humor and keeping things lighthearted.
Yeah.
You're the man today. You're the only guy catching fish.
Sometimes the sun shines on a dog's rear end. I believe it is. Yeah.
I don't think I've ever heard that before.
Oh, yeah. So you never know. So, yeah. All right, that was cool.
Well, let's get some more.
Yeah, let's do it.
But we're not just about the humor. We love showing you places to fish in the Northwest, and we like helping people learn about fly fishing. It's great recreation.
This is the setup we're using right here. A little mayfly nymph, followed by a little chironomid. But instead of fishing it under an indicator, we're using an intermediate sink line and just doing slow strips. And that fish just pounded it.
Please subscribe and join our Fishing with Ladin fly fishing community.
There, oh boy, that's a big fish.
Big fish.
Welcome to Fishing with Ladin Langman and co-host Steve Ronholt.
You can buy that expensive tackle that you think that you might need. You can head out for the river and hope you might succeed. But if you want to fish just right, just turn your TV on. Come on fishing with Ladin, he'll get your fishing on. Yeah, come on fishing with Ladin and you'll have some fun. Cast and fly in Alaska, on the Wild Yukon, or catch some trout and salmon in good old Washington. Fishing with Ladin, casting with Ladin, man, that's a lot of fun. Fishing with Ladin, casting with Ladin, man, that's a lot of fun.